Dream big, the power of manifestation. Hello and welcome to English Stories. Have you ever heard someone say, if you can dream it, you can achieve it? This idea is at the heart of manifestation. Manifestation is the process of turning your dreams and desires into reality. It is about believing in yourself and taking steps to make your dreams come true. In this video, we will explore the history of manifestation, its importance, why it is popular today, and the steps you can take to manifest your dreams. The concept of manifestation isn't new. People have believed in the power of thoughts and intentions for thousands of years. Ancient cultures, such as the Egyptians and the Greeks, practiced forms of manifestation through rituals and prayers. They believed that their thoughts could influence their lives and the world around them. In the 19th century, a movement called New Thought emerged in the United States. This movement taught that positive thinking and belief in oneself could lead to personal success and happiness. Authors like Ralph Waldo Emerson and Wallace D. Wattles wrote about how our thoughts create our reality. Their ideas laid the groundwork for modern manifestation practices. In the 20th century, the idea of manifestation gained more popularity with books like The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale and Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. These books encourage people to focus on their goals and visualize their success. They showed that having a positive mindset is essential for achieving dreams. Today, manifestation is widely discussed in self-help books, podcasts, and social media. Many people share their experiences and tips on how to manifest their desires. This has made the concept more accessible and popular than ever before. Manifestation is important for several reasons. First, it helps people clarify their goals. When you think about what you want to achieve, you start to understand your true desires. This clarity can guide your actions and decisions. Second, manifestation encourages a positive mindset. When you focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you are more likely to attract good things into your life. A positive attitude can improve your mental health and overall well-being. Third, manifestation empowers individuals. It reminds us that we have control over our lives. Instead of waiting for things to happen, we can take action to create the life we want. This sense of empowerment can lead to greater confidence and motivation. Finally, manifestation promotes resilience. When faced with challenges or setbacks, a strong belief in your ability to manifest your dreams can help you stay focused and determined. You learn to see obstacles as opportunities for growth rather than reasons to give up. Manifestation has become increasingly popular in recent years. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have made it easy for people to share their manifestation journeys. Influencers and motivational speakers often discuss their success stories, inspiring others to try manifestation themselves. There has been a growing interest in self-improvement and personal development. More people are looking for ways to enhance their lives and achieve their dreams. Manifestation fits perfectly into this trend. As society becomes more aware of mental health issues, many are seeking tools to improve their well-being. Manifestation encourages positive thinking and self-belief, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. With the rise of online resources such as articles, videos, and courses, learning has never been easier. People from all walks of life can access information and support. Let's discuss the steps you can take to manifest your dreams effectively. 1. Set clear goals. The first step in manifestation is to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Be specific about your desires. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, try something like, I want to start my own business within a year. Writing down your goals can help clarify your intentions. 2. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool. Take time each day to imagine yourself achieving your goals. Picture yourself living the life you desire. Feel the emotions associated with that success. Visualization helps create a strong connection between your mind and your goals. 3. Believe in yourself. Belief is crucial in the manifestation process. You must truly believe that you deserve what you are trying to manifest. Challenge any negative thoughts or doubts that arise. Replace them with positive affirmations like, I am capable or I deserve success. 4. Take action. Manifestation is not just about thinking positively, it also requires action. Identify the steps you need to take to reach your goals and start working on them. Even small actions can lead you closer to your dreams. 5. Practice gratitude. Expressing gratitude for what you already have creates a positive mindset and attracts more good things into your life. Keep a gratitude journal where you write down things you are thankful for each day. 6. Stay open to opportunities. When you are manifesting your dreams, stay open to new opportunities that come your way. Sometimes the universe presents unexpected paths toward achieving your goals. Be willing to adapt and explore these possibilities. 7. Be patient. Great things take time, so be patient with yourself in the process. Understand that not everything will happen overnight. Trust that your efforts will pay off in due time. 8. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and experiences. Are you moving closer to your goals? If not, consider adjusting your approach or setting new goals based on what you've learned. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that manifestation is a journey filled with growth and self-discovery. Embrace the process, stay positive, believe in yourself, and watch our videos to improve your English effectively. Subscribe for more.